Hi friends, everyone, here we have a laptop with the problem of not being able to detect the Wi-Fi signal, so we can't enjoy the internet network using Wi-Fi. We can see on this laptop monitor layer that there is no Wi-Fi logo found in the bottom corner. And when we click the network logo, the Wi-Fi signals don't appear, even though there are lots of Wi-Fi signals here. So of course we have to make sure whether this laptop's Wi-Fi device is working properly, detected properly or not. The trick is to open the device manager. We can see in the network adapters section, there should be a Wi-Fi device here, but it doesn't exist at all. We can only see LAN networks that use Realtek devices. Okay, this shows that the Wi-Fi device from this laptop is not detected properly, or it could even be damaged. Then we have to disassemble the laptop to access the Wi-Fi device. After the case is opened, we can remove the Wi-Fi card, the wireless card. Then we can try first the cleaning steps. We clean the pins using a pencil eraser. The purpose of this step is to ensure the connection between the main board and the Wi-Fi card can be more perfect because the pins are free of crusted dirt. Then we clean using a dry brush. After that we can plug in the Wi-Fi again and we try to turn on the laptop. And now you can see here, all the Wi-Fi signals have been detected, and once connected, the internet can be accessed. So friends, hopefully it's useful. Don't forget to support us by clicking like, share, comment, and subscribe to this channel. Thank you for watching.